Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our life related question is how to be free from ego. Instead of using the word ego, we like to use the word self. Now, who has created this self? What is the basis of our self? These are very important questions for a spiritual seeker. The culprit is here the thought, our own thoughts. Our own thoughts can create so many illusions in our life. One of the illusions created by the thought is the little self. Thought is the main reason. We have already released a video in the title called Understanding Thought Pattern is Meditation. So if we are to understand about ego or self, we have to understand our thought process. What the thought process can do or can't do. Understanding the thought process is very much important. Generally, people are very much self-centered. Why they are so? Because we function on the basis of our own thoughts. Thoughts direct us. When we are under the influence of thought, certainly we will be self-centered. That is the main problem of our life. So how to go beyond this self? To go beyond self, we must understand how our thoughts work. We are with our thoughts. Then we have to inquire, is there any other instrument of inquiry? There is another one instrument of inquiry with us. That is observation and awareness. This observation and awareness, they don't belong to the thought pattern. They belong to the timeless dimension of life. When we are aware, then we don't become selfish. Then we can become a really spiritual person. A person with little self always wants to escape from the what is. His mind is diverted always for the illusions. They identify with the family, with the race, with the languages, with the country, and so on. They even identify themselves with the job, position, power, name and fame, etc. Now, how to go beyond all these kind of limitations? We have already told that mind is limited, thought is limited. If we go after thought, these things will happen. A really spiritual person is interested to go beyond all these divisions. Our life is in disorder because of all these kind of things. The main reason for is our thought process. Thought process only created so many gods. It can create anything as it likes. So we are under the influence of thought. The thought has created the self. And self acquires enormous energy from the thought process. Now, if a person is loving, then he will not think too much about himself. He can think about others. He can think about the nature. He can think about the atmosphere. A person who is lovely thinks about all the things which are here in the existence. He can have the capacity to go beyond the little self. So one who wishes to be free from self must be meditative. Meditation does not belong to the time. It belongs to the timeless dimension of life. Only those who are interested in the timeless dimension of life, they can be free from the self. Life has great immensity and depth. If somebody is interested, they can directly encounter those immensity and depth. For this, the thing which is required is to observe our own thoughts. If we are aware about our own thoughts, it is very easy to be free from self. That will bring much blessings from the existence. That is the only way out. That's why Jesus has told that love is God. A loving person can be free from the self. Love and meditation are one and the same. They are the two faces of the same coin. So by observing our own thoughts, we will be able to free from the clutches of the self. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing the another aspect of life.